In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can wrap text around your images you insert on Microsoft Word. So you can see this is an image I've styled on here. Let me wrap my text around it like this. Yes. So let me show you guys how to do that with this. So you just tap on the image like this and you see this should pop up. Tap on that and you choose any of them. Yes, just choose any of them. So now we need to make the image smaller. And the text will start wrapping itself, wrapping. So yeah, now let's tap on that. Now let's see the difference. Good. So this is like, I think this is okay. Yeah. Or you can choose to style it more different. Yeah, you see it's giving it space, and this will be over the image. And this will be like the images on it. It depends. And you can do it like this, but I think this is nicer. Yeah, this is more nicer, but this is going to confuse someone reading. So this is okay to wrap your text around it. I think the image has been rotated. That's why I've styled it. I did it that myself. But then that's it on how you can wrap text around images. So let's say this was a straight image. It will be nice. Yeah, you just wrap it something like this. It's going to be nicer. Yeah. So they start reading from here and then they continue from here. Simple as that. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.